Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm part of the ViserMark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another of the Xiaomi devices, the Xiaomi 13 Lite battery performance. Are you ready? The Xiaomi 13 Lite has a 6.55-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a modern design. The phone offers a good user experience and comes in 3 colors. It features a newer chip, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, which makes it more power efficient than its predecessor. The Xiaomi 13 Lite has a triple lens camera setup and gains a 32MP ultra-wide-angle camera with Xiaomi Selfie Glow. It has a 4500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. The Xiaomi 13 Lite is a slim and lightweight smartphone that belongs to the high-tier category, priced between €500 and €699. It has a similar design and is lighter compared to the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro. It's ranked the 7th within the high tier, earning a score of 35 out of 100 for battery performance. The Xiaomi 13 Lite battery performance provides adequate 1.5 days of use, lasting up to 37 hours between charges. The Xiaomi 13 Lite was awarded 1 out of 5 as a smartphone battery efficiency score. This matches Samsung A52 and Google Pixel 7. Based on our calculations, the Xiaomi 13 Lite has an annual energy consumption of 3.9 kWh. The Samsung A52 leads the high tier against the Xiaomi 13 Lite and Google Pixel 7 in terms of battery performance. However, all 3 phones ranked lower in battery performance compared to other smartphones in the high-tier category. The top performers in this category were the OnePlus 8T with a score of 51/100 and the Samsung S20 FE with a close score of 50/100. In terms of battery life, most high-tier smartphones can last up to 1.5 days. But the OnePlus 8T and Samsung S20 FE stand out with 2.0 days of battery life. The Xiaomi 13 Lite and Samsung A52 have similar battery capacities, while the Google Pixel 7 range has seen a reduction in capacity. The Xiaomi 13 Lite supports 67W fast charging but lacks wireless charging. The Xiaomi 13 Lite features a great display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support, but lacks wireless charging. It has a 4500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging and is powered by the new Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC, offering improved efficiency and performance compared to its predecessor, the Xiaomi 12 Lite. The phone's lightweight design and overall camera performance, including ultra-wide and dual selfie cameras, are notable. However, the price increase compared to the Xiaomi 12 Lite may be difficult to justify for some, especially considering the expected arrival of newer smartphones in 2023 that offer better value for money. We look forward to bringing you our next smartphone battery performance review very soon. Thank you once again for watching. Please like, share, and comment on this video. From the ViserMark team.